This is, as you can see here, one of the highest end products that Nightforce makes. It's a very, very big box, as you can probably see. So in the box comes with a shade, scope itself, nice looking Allen wrench there for manipulating the scope, a typical set of accessories that you expect from Nightforce. Here is a nice throw lever you can attach. If you look here, you'll be able to see that there is a spot to attach this throw lever, which can be useful. There are a number of other accessories. That's the essential products in the box. Again, a very big, long scope, as you'd expect for this level of magnification. This is the largest magnification scope that's ideal for long-range shooting. It feels very heavy, very solid. It's interesting because in this scope we got a capped windage turret here. Solid feeling turret. Obviously a zero stop MILRAD turret. And here we've got, if we press here, we can set a whole range of different colors and different levels for the reticle illumination, which can be very helpful. And we've got a parallax that goes way down to 15 yards, which is awesome. And so this feels super solid. As you can see, it's made in Japan and comes with a Nightforce quality control sticker on it, which is always reassuring. And you can see here the magnification all the way up to 35 from 7. So this is definitely a long range scope, probably not ideal for other activities, but perfect for anything long range. Comes with scope caps, which is solid. Has a very solid and very simple feel about it. Let's see how much he weighs in it. £1 and 10 ounces. Oh, there we go. Sorry, 2 pounds and 8 ounces, which seems more sensible since it is a big and heavy scope. So the heaviest scope in our review. So there's a quick unboxing of the Nightforce ATACR top of the range scope.